In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to manage your location permission on Target app. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app on your iPhone or Android device. If the app asks for permission to access your location, you can choose allow while using the app, allow once, or don't allow depending on your preference. If you have already made a choice and want to change this later, you'll need to update the permission in your device settings. For iOS, launch settings, scroll down and navigate to the option privacy and security. Click on location services, toggle on for this option. From the list of apps, find Target. Now from here, you can customize the location access. You can set it to never while using the app or ask next time or when I share. For Android device, launch settings, tap apps or apps and notification, then select Target, tap permission, choose location and select your preferred permission such as allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time or don't allow depending on your Android version. After updating your location permission, we open the Target app. If location accesses, the app can automatically detect nearby stores, show local product availability and improve pickup and shopping features. If location access is disabled, you can still manually search for and select your preferred Target store wherever you need. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.